Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can take notes in Notion. So for this tutorial we're going to use a built-in Notion template. Simply go to your Notion and from the left panel go to templates. Here simply search for notes. Here you get a bunch of notes template. I recommend you select the first one because first of all it's free and secondly it gets the job done. So simply select the first template and click add to my workspace and select any workspace in which you want to add that template. Once the template is set up, you will get a custom page created in your workspace called notes. So I have got this notes page created, and here I can create different notes and I can organize all my notes here. So I can simply double click and I can double click anywhere and I can jot down a note. So this is how you can quickly take notes in Notion by setting up a very basic template in Notion. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.